Well, today on the ISSA Impact series we've been doing, I'm pleased to welcome Mike Atkins, who's the Assistant Vice President of Facility Management Services with an organization called SOAR365. Mike, welcome to the program.
Thank you, Jeff.
I have to say your title's pretty long. I hope it fits on a business card.
Yes, it does.
You'll have to show me when we're in person one day. SOAR365, that's an interesting name. Why don't you tell us about your organization, some history, what you do, and how long you've been with ISSA?
Thank you, Jeff. SOAR365 is a Richmond area nonprofit organization that was founded in 1954 by local families determined to find a better way to care for and support their loved ones with disabilities. SOAR365 provides services and programs for individuals of all ages with disabilities. Some of our programs and services are in the human service category: adult day support, children and youth programs, pediatric therapy, summer camp, and respite. We also have business solutions, where we have multiple lines of business offering services to commercial and government clients. These business lines include janitorial and cleaning services, grounds maintenance, assembly and logistics, and administrative services. The profits from these contracts help fund the human services programs we offer. So it's really a great model. We have been an ISSA member since 2018.
2018. Well, welcome to ISSA. I know the partnership is beneficial to both of us. And what you offer is unique, isn't it? The services and the impact you make.
I think what makes SOAR365 unique in the industry is that we're a nonprofit organization with a mission, and that we are dedicated to creating an accessibility and an inclusive workplace. Nearly 60% of our business solution workforce have a disability. We have heard that when we are hired, that it's a win-win-win. Our customers win because we are doing a great job. SOAR365 employees with disabilities win because they are able to get and keep jobs that offer competitive wages, excellent benefits, promotion opportunities, and increased independence. SOAR365 program participants win because the profits earned by business solutions help support human service programs.
Thank you for sharing that. It's a fantastic thing you folks are doing, providing work for those that may not find it elsewhere. A big difference in the industry. Let's talk about what you find most enjoyable in the industry. And I bet it's not driving through Baltimore traffic.
No, it's not. What I find interesting is the people. As I mentioned, SOAR365's mission and our workforce are dedicated to helping individuals with disabilities. So the folks on our team are pretty special. This past week was National Cleaning Week. And thanks to ISSA's attention to this week, we made plans to celebrate our cleaning staff every day of the week. Breakfast, SOAR365 swag, gift cards, and more. It was a great week, and I'm so glad that ISSA brought this to our attention. Our cleaning staff worked so hard and delivered such good results for our customers that it was great to treat them.
Let's move into strategy and talk about what you folks do there. Thinking of your high-level goals with the industry. Obviously, you're providing a service that's respected and valuable, but you're also competing with others in the marketplace. What are you doing to compete? What strategies have you implemented, and how has ISSA helped?
Well, ISSA is the industry's leading experts in the cleaning industry. One challenge we were faced was telling our story on the great work of what our employees do. It is incredibly important to have our work being validated by someone other than us saying we are great. We are starting to see contractual language having clauses in them stating that you must be SIMS certified in order to even respond to a solicitation. Sims Green Building We use this to leverage responses to both commercial and federal solicitations, and it gives us more credibility. SOAR365 took full advantage of the SIMS Green Building certification to have a third-party assessment of the great work our employees do day in and day out. Having this certification for 3 years now, we have used it in presentations for pursuing additional business with new and existing customers.
All right. So last question is, what would you tell your peers if they were thinking about membership with ISSA?
I would tell my peers to lean forward, partner with ISSA, and take full advantage of every resource that they have to offer.